Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2005 Grand Caravan. The Dodge Grand Caravan received the government's highest front and side crash rating of 5 stars. Its vast interior is widely praised, with an innovative seating arrangement, versatile cargo storage, and enough entertainment features to keep the kids entertained on road trips. This vehicle has less than 145,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, roof rack, rear wiper, universal remote transmitter, cruise control, trip computer, tachometer, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.